Hello everyone, do you like animals? Today we are going to learn about different types of animals. According to the food habits, the animals are divided into three groups: herbivorous animals, carnivorous animals, and omnivorous animals. Let us learn one by one. First one is herbivorous animals. The animals that eat plant and plant products are called herbivorous animals. They are vegetarians. The animals like cow, rabbit, deer, giraffe, etc. are some of the examples for herbivorous animals. Next one is carnivorous animals. The animals that eat the flesh of other animals is called carnivorous animals. They are non-vegetarians. The animals like lion, tiger are some of the examples. The third one is omnivorous animals. The animals that eat both the plants and meat are called omnivorous. Hen, shark, crow, vulture, pig, dog, etc. are some of the examples. Hope you understand. Thank you.